Hello everyone, good evening. Your Reshmi from your Rice Fashions. Now I will display some trendy dresses collections only for you. So let me display very bright, fresh color combinations. This one is long dress, long gown pattern dress, premium quality, soft cotton fabric with beautiful printed one all over, long gown dress, frock pattern. And this one is sleeves, long sleeves, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, long cotton gown. And next one also cotton fabric, very smart looks, cotton fabric, premium quality, soft cotton all over, printed one, and nice cutting, very trendy looks, straight cutting, smart looks. And this one bottom pant plazo with embroidery design work, contrast color, cotton fabric. And this one is premium quality, soft cotton with beautiful bright printed one. And this one is beautiful buttons design, very smart and trendy looks, long sleeves. And next one also beautiful one, premium quality khadi cotton base, premium quality khadi cotton with beautiful design work, very smart looks, based for your professional wear. This one is beautiful work. And this one is contrast color cloth patch work, straight cutting, smart looks, smart trendy one. And this one bottom portions contrast color leggings pant. And this one is sleeves, long sleeves, patchwork border, and beautiful katha stitch pattern stitching work, very nice one. And next one also very beautiful one, rayon cotton fabric, bright color combinations, navy blue shade with beautiful fine embroidery design work, sleeves, long sleeves, and contrast color border patch. And this one bottom contrast color cigar pant, straight pant, premium quality. And this one is rayon cotton fabric, beautiful work and straight cutting, smart look kurti. And next one also very elegant one, premium quality rayon cotton fabric, straight cutting, smart looks. This one is buttons design. And this one sleeves, very smart and trendy looks, nice color combinations with contrast color, fully printed plazo, very nice contrast looks, elegant obviously. And next one also very beautiful one, nice checks pattern design, fine checks all over base, and rayon cotton fabric, soft one, long sleeves with frill design. And this one neck design, very trendy and fashionable look, straight cutting, smart one. And this one is bottom contrast color leggings pant. And this one is sleeves, beautiful smart looks. And nice color combinations, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with all over fine contrast stripes design, very beautiful smart looks, based for your daily wear, long sleeves and straight cutting, smart look kurti, all over fine weaving stripes and with contrast color, fully embroidery design work, plazo cotton fabric, soft one. And this one is full set, very smart and fresh looks, nice contrast looks. And next one also very beautiful fresh color combinations, rayon cotton fabric, printed one, very smart looks, straight cutting kurti and all over printed one, rayon cotton fabric, soft one, based for your daily wear, long sleeves. And this one beautiful smart printed one. This one is contrast color plazo pant, fully fine embroidery design work plazo. And this one is full set, very nice and beautiful contrast looks. And next one also khadi base, very beautiful elegant one, based for your office wear, professional wear, all over base texture pattern weaving design, all over khadi base with beautiful embroidery design work, long sleeves. And this one is neck design, very trendy looks with contrast color, heavy chiffon embroidery design work plazo. This one is plazo and this one is full set, very beautiful elegant smart looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful dress, very nice one, rayon slab material with beautiful printed one all over and very elegant color combinations, off white base with contrast color pant leggings pant, very smart and fresh looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.